Hey guys, Qasim here. I'm going to be doing my hair piece maintenance today. As you can see, it is in really bad shape. All the glue's coming off. I haven't done it properly. I think it's been like more than 2 weeks and it's gotten really gooey. I've been to the gym a lot and sweated a lot, so I need to fix it. Yeah, let's go ahead. Alright, so first thing I need to do is take this off. And it's just gonna come right off because it's super gluey right now. So let's just go ahead and take it off. I don't have a tripod, so I'm like using one hand. There we go. Came off completely fine. Oh, that is bad. I'm gonna have the worst time of my life taking this tape off.
As you can see, there's some solid tape on there, which we can take off directly. So I never go in with the C22 directly because it just makes it super gooey to take it off after I've done this because it breaks it down. So before I spray that, I try to get all the tape that's remained intact, like the solid tape. I try to just peel that off at first, and then I spray the C22 to get the residue off. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, grab some tissue, try to peel this off. Just take a bit of that, hold it in that so I can just tip it like that. I'll just spray some alcohol on it. This is just to make it less sticky. As you can see, it doesn't make it sticky at all. And then we're gonna go in with the tissue and then just try to peel it off. Oh my god, I lost a part. Okay. Alright, as you can see, coming off pretty well. Shove it in there, grab it, and there we go. And that part detaches, and now you can just keep trying to pull this off in your line. So I always pull less, because if you keep on pulling it, it breaks the tape, and then you gotta go in and grab the end again. But I mean, that still happens sometimes. But if you apply less pressure, it just keeps coming off gradually like that. It's gonna break now. Okay. So once that breaks, I don't use this tissue anymore. I throw it in the bin because if I keep using this, my hands are gonna get sticky. Oops. Just let it come off by itself. No need to pull it. I just pulled it and that happened. Right, keep going. There you go. So I think all the tape is off. As you can see, my hands did get sticky, so I'm just gonna spray some alcohol on it. Swipe it up with the tissue. It's time for the C22 because there's no more solid tape on here. So we just gotta break everything down and get it off. Alright, just gonna spray all around the perimeter where the thing is. You don't gotta worry about getting in the hair, it's completely safe. Just make sure to spray a ton of C22 on there. And I just sort of leave it in the sink for it to break down. I'm gonna come back to it in about 5 minutes. I think it's been about 5 minutes. It does seem to have broken down a bit. So I'm just gonna flip it back up. And now we can grab a tissue again. Pull it up, nice and small. Now you scrub basically. So you keep going like. You can see that is all glue, the tape. This is another hack. You can use a cotton ball and just tap it all around and it sticks to the glue, and then you can actually see where the glue is, and then you then you scrape that off. As you can see, it's sticking to all the glue there. Yeah, and then you can just scrape this off with tissue. I actually have a better idea than a tissue right now, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. I think that's going to work wonders. You can also put the cotton balls on the glue before you apply the C22. That way it will stick way more. Or you can do both. I'm just going to spray some more C22 on here in a bit. Okay, so as you can see, nothing else is sticking. So we're going to take some more C22 right here. Just going to spray some more on there. Just going to leave it again for a bit. Let it do its work. Let her break it down. This is my genius idea. We're going to use a hairband. I'm going to sacrifice this for now. I'll wash it up later. But honestly, like, this has an amazing grip that I can grip on like that and just grip, right? So this is the first time I'm using this. So let's give it a try. Oh my god, that works wonders. Look at all that glue sliding right off. That is amazing. So you can see all that is glue. I'm just gonna scrape that off. I'm just gonna comb the system. Because when you water and then shampoo it, it's gonna tangle a lot more. So you want to be sure to comb it up. And guys, don't worry if there's hair shedding in your maintenance. That's always a thing. Honestly, while doing it, you could also spray some leave-in conditioner just to make it better. There's no silicone, no sulfate, paraben-free. Super Hair Pieces also sells some nice shampoos, which you can try out. And then open it up. Wet it a bit and then put some more shampoo in the actual hair. Grab your comb and just wipe away the shampoo. Just like that. Make sure it's in the same direction again so it doesn't get tangled up. And if you fold it in half, it's actually not going to get tangled up because all the hair is like pressed together. Fold it in another quarter. I'll squeeze some more. I'm just going to wrap this up in a towel to dry it. You can hair dry it a bit, but I like to just dry it up in a towel. I'm just going to keep this here like that. I'm just going to roll it. Just keep rolling like that. And squeeze it a bit, get the water out. I turn the towel around and then roll it from the other side. Straight on the hair and then roll it again. So now it's on the dry side of the towel. This is going to dry better. And then you can just leave that to the side. There you go. Next thing we're going to do is get this goo off of her head. So for that, once again, C22 is our best buddy. Spray some C22 on your head. You can use some cotton balls again. Right? Just tap it again over your head. So I grabbed some more tissue and I let the C22 dry on my head a bit, and I'm just gonna try to peel it off. There you go. All the glue is coming right off. Flip it around a bit. Get the back
Now I'm gonna spray some alcohol on my hand. Close your eyes when you do this. Okay. Put some alcohol on. French a bit, and then wipe it off.
Alright guys, so the next step is just shaving all of this off.
I'm just gonna use my trimmer and just shave it off in the sink as best as you can. Alright guys, our head is fully shaved. You can see the tan line I have from the hair system. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower now and I will see you in like a second. So I'm out of the shower. I put the hairpiece on a mannequin head and now we're just gonna spray this top lock knot sealer on it. It just helps it the shedding, so the hair system life. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray this on here. There we go. That's I think all we need, and we're just gonna let this dry up. While that dries up, we're just gonna spray some rubbing alcohol on some tissue and just wipe the exterior. So any of that top lock knot sealer that's on there, that's gonna wipe right off. So I like to start from the back. So I peeled off the tape, and we're just gonna apply it really carefully onto the back of the system. There we go. I can't do this one-handed, so I'm just gonna apply the whole thing and then show you guys. I'm gonna use some just right positioning spray on the front just so I can align it with my hairline right over here. This just helps you give some leeway. I think I got it. So I'm gonna press down the front first. Like that. And slowly work my way back. And I'm gonna stretch out the system as I'm doing it. Okay. Maybe we could move it back a little. So because I put the just right on there, I can just slide it back a bit, which is very helpful in this case. Now we're just gonna use a towel and press down on it. Right. Nice. Yep. It's even on both sides. I'm gonna hold the front down and just go on the back. If there are any big angles, so open that up. Do that. I'm just gonna use some leave-in conditioner. Stick some of that in there. And that is pretty much it. Now you can style your hair however you want it. I'm not going to use a blow dryer right now. I'm just going to let it air dry. And just like that, we're done. Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a quick update on the maintenance I did last night. So it dried down and stuck on better now. Last night it was coming up a bit from here, but it's all fixed now. So if you guys do face that problem, just wait it out. Let the alcohol dry down if you use the positioning spray. If you don't, you're not gonna have this issue at all. But yeah, so the hair is a bit coarse right now, so I haven't been able to make it properly because I've realized every time you do a maintenance, sometimes there's always like a bit of C22 or some kind of solvent left on there, which makes the hair a bit coarse. But once I shampoo again, I think it's gonna be much better. And yeah, I'll try to give you guys an update then. But for now, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys ever need a hair system or anything, any consultations, Super Hairpiece is always there. I think it's the best company out there. And yeah, take care.